Have you ever thought about starting a dropshipping business? Now, you might be wondering, what's all this about dropshipping? Well, let me break it down for you. Dropshipping is a unique business model that allows you to run an e-commerce store without ever having to manage inventory or deal with shipping. Sounds pretty great, right? Imagine this. You're selling products online, but you don't have to worry about storing them, packing them, or sending them out. Instead, when a customer buys something from your online store, your supplier ships the product directly to them. You act as a middleman, taking orders from customers and forwarding them to your suppliers. This business model offers flexibility and potential profitability, making it an attractive option for those who want to dip their toes in the e-commerce world without the need for a hefty startup budget or storage space. So, if you're ready to dive into this exciting venture, stay tuned to learn the simple steps to start a successful dropshipping business. First, you need to understand what dropshipping really is. So, let's dive straight in. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. So in essence, you, as the retailer, never actually handle the product. Now, you might be wondering, why go for dropshipping? Well, there are several benefits to this business model. The first is low startup costs. Since you don't need to invest in inventory or manage a warehouse, your initial investment is significantly less than traditional retail models. You only purchase a product when you've made a sale and have been paid by the customer. Then, there's the flexibility. With dropshipping, your business can be based anywhere in the world, and you can sell to customers anywhere around the globe. Your physical location is not a limit. You can run your business from your living room if you want to. Scalability is another benefit. Most of the work to process additional orders will be borne by the suppliers. This gives you the freedom to expand your offerings or scale your business with fewer growing pains and less incremental work. But it's not all rosy. Like any business model, dropshipping has its challenges. For instance, supplier errors could lead to issues. Or since you don't control your stock, you might end up selling an item that's out of stock with your supplier. However, with careful planning, these challenges can be managed, and the benefits of dropshipping can make it an attractive option for many entrepreneurs. Now that you understand what dropshipping is, let's move to the next step. We'll explore how to choose the right niche for your dropshipping business, which is a crucial aspect of setting yourself up for success. So, stick around because you won't want to miss this. The next step is choosing the right niche for your dropshipping business. You see, the beauty of dropshipping is that it allows you to focus on selling products within a specific category or niche. This targeted approach not only helps you to connect with a specific customer base, but also to compete more effectively with other businesses. So, how do you go about choosing a profitable niche? Well, you could start by identifying your passions and interests. This will not only make running the business more enjoyable, but also give you an edge when it comes to understanding your customers' needs. Next, consider the profitability of your chosen niche. Look at factors such as product pricing, market demand, and competition. Ideally, you want to find a niche with high demand and low competition. Remember, choosing a niche is an important step, but what's more crucial is finding reliable suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers is a critical step in starting a dropshipping business. This task might feel daunting, but fret not. It's a process that can be mastered with a little patience and persistence. Firstly, let's delve into how to find and vet these suppliers. There are several online directories and platforms where you can find dropshipping suppliers. These include popular sites like Alibaba, Salehu, and Douba. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. It's crucial to vet your suppliers thoroughly. Look at their reviews, ratings, and customer feedback. Reach out to them and ask for references. Remember, a trustworthy supplier is a cornerstone for your business. Now let's talk about the importance of building a good relationship with your suppliers. This isn't a one-time transaction. It's an ongoing relationship that can make or break your business. So treat your suppliers as partners. Communicate openly and regularly. Be clear about your expectations and listen to their concerns. Next, let's discuss negotiation. Yes, it's a skill that you need to master. You're not just negotiating prices, but also delivery terms. Here's a tip. Always negotiate from a position of knowledge. Research the market price for the products you're selling. Know your bottom line. And remember, the goal of negotiation isn't to squeeze every penny out of your supplier, but to arrive at a fair deal that benefits both parties. Finally, it's time to talk about delivery terms. These are the conditions under which the supplier will deliver the goods. It includes details like delivery date, method of shipment, and payment terms. Make sure you understand these terms clearly before you agree to anything. Once you've secured reliable suppliers, it's time to set up your online store. The journey to successful dropshipping doesn't end here, but it's a significant milestone that you should be proud of. So take a moment to celebrate your progress before diving into the next phase of your dropshipping journey. Setting up your online store is the next step in your dropshipping journey. There's a myriad of e-commerce platforms available today, each with its unique features and benefits. You've got the big names like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, among others. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. WooCommerce, on the other hand, integrates seamlessly with WordPress, making it a great choice if you're already familiar with that platform. BigCommerce is another solid choice, especially for those planning to scale up quickly. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific needs, budget, and technical expertise. It's essential to do your research and pick the one that aligns best with your business goals. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to make your store truly yours. Customization is key to reflecting your brand's personality and creating a memorable shopping experience for your customers. Play around with themes and layouts until you find the one that speaks to your brand. Remember, consistency is crucial in branding, so make sure your store's look and feel match your other marketing materials. Now, let's talk about store optimization. There are two areas you need to focus on: search engine optimization, or SEO, and user experience, or UX. SEO is all about making your store visible to search engines. This involves using the right keywords, creating quality content, and ensuring your website's technical aspects are in order. On the other hand, UX is about making your store easy and pleasant to navigate. A good UX means having a clear layout, easy to find products, and a smooth checkout process. Remember, a happy customer is more likely to become a repeat customer. But don't be overwhelmed. There are plenty of resources available to guide you through each step. And remember, perfection is a journey, not a destination. It's okay to start small and improve as you go. With your online store set up, you're now ready to start selling. Starting a dropshipping business may seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. We've journeyed together through understanding the concept of dropshipping, the importance of selecting the right niche, and the necessity of finding reliable suppliers. We've also delved into the intricacies of setting up your online store, a crucial step in your e-commerce venture. Each of these steps is a vital cog in the wheel of a successful dropshipping business. They collectively form a roadmap leading you towards your entrepreneurial dream. Remember, the essence of dropshipping lies in the details. It's about making informed choices, building trust with suppliers, and creating an appealing and user-friendly online store. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. So are you ready to start your dropshipping journey? If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more e-commerce tips and tricks.